I'm so excited to be back to share another tutorial with you guys, or informative video with you guys. But today I am going to show you guys how you too can color your hair at home, your own natural hair at home, with a product that has no peroxide in it. So my name is Chantey Simpson. I'm a licensed cosmetologist turned beauty blogger, and yeah, so I want to be able to just offer you guys a couple of tutorials on things that you can do at home, because a lot of us are still some of us are utilizing YouTube more than ever before. I know I am personally, on things that I have to learn how to do at home, from nails to hair to, I don't know, everything. So I figured I would come on here to help share the knowledge that I have gained over the years with you guys. When it comes to coloring your hair, it's not that it's a real technical thing to do, right? The challenge of it is finding the right product that is actually going to help your hair. It's going to color your hair, but then it's not going to damage your hair. That is the challenge, and that is what I'm here to help you with. Now, this video is not sponsored. I've not gained any benefits from posting this, other than knowing that I have helped someone else with hair like mine, or the same struggles that I have struggles with, gain something that'll make their life a little bit easier. So that is what I'm here for. So first off, you know, a little bit about me. I've already told you my name, but other than that, what else can I tell you? Yeah, so if you're here for if you're here for makeup, I offer makeup tutorials. If you're here for skincare, I do that as well too, not as often as everything else, but skincare sometimes, as is a challenge. Something else I offer on this channel is hair care. That's the main bulk of my channel, because that is my strength. I feel that is my strength. But yeah, so on here you will learn tips and tricks and hacks. So if you're here for that and you want to know more, and you want to join our community, then definitely hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you never miss posts, and you always, you know, getting the latest info that I have to share with you. So without further ado, you want to know how to color your hair at home? I got a product that is going to help you. I have a product that is 2 steps. I have a product that can be purchased at your local Walmart or at your local beauty supply store. Like, it's not like it's out of touch or you can't find it anywhere. It's everywhere. Like, it's old school. It's what a lot of people use in the barbershop for blackouts. It's just everywhere. So the color is called Beijing. See this? Beijing. It is old school. The number that I use for my hair is 59. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this color. This color covers gray. Yes, it covers that gray. So you can do this from home. It is very simple. And yeah, it contains, as you see, it says it contains no ammonia. It really does not contain any ammonia. So the only thing you have to do is add water. That's it. You're gonna add your water. You're gonna add your water to it, and that's it. But yeah, so let me pop into telling you the steps. You know, so when you open it up, because I've already used this box, you're gonna open this up, and it comes with 3 things. This is the color itself. Let's see if I can get it to show. Okay, that's the color itself. And then this is the measure. And because this is so little, you can tell that, yeah, you can pour it into there. I'll show you for the video on the side here. On the side, either one of these sides, you'll be able to see. And it comes with as well, it comes with the directions. It comes with directions as well. Directions inside. So, but yeah, so to make it short, you are going to start with, you start with your hair. You start with dry hair. You're gonna apply it to your hair. Now you can do this on wet hair. I've done it on my wet hair as well. like as soon as I shampoo my hair. Like if your hair is really dirty, it's okay to shampoo your hair. It's okay. Shampoo it once, let it dry, let it dry like air dry. Just make sure your hair is dry. And then you are going to get your color. You're going to apply it. You're going to pour your color into a mixing bowl that is non-metallic. You're going to pour it into there. And then you're going to make sure, just make sure you measure it. It's going to be equal parts. Whatever you measure is going to be equal parts. So for most of us, you're going to add water. But for most of us, we're going to need more than this amount. This is a little bit of color. Usually I use at least 3 of them. And I don't really have a lot of hair, like a lot of hair, but my hair is super dense, super thick. So I'm going to need more than this. I'm going to need like 3 or 4. So you mix all of your color into a bowl, and you're going to mix the same amount of water, and you're going to mix it up. Mix it up. If you want to make it really easy, you separate your hair into 4 parts. I didn't do that, but you can separate your hair into 4 parts and work by sections to make sure you really get it in your hair really well. But as you mix it, you're going to see that the paste kind of thickens up. It thickens up a great bit, and then you're going to apply it to the hair. And as you apply it to the hair, you'll see, it just sits there nicely. But you definitely want, I'm going to give you one quick tip. If you have gray areas, like let's say you have a gray hairline or something, apply it to your gray area first, then apply the rest, because that is the most resistant part of your hair. So you want to start with your most resistant part of your hair. So if the front of your hairline is gray, or wherever the most of your grayness is, start there. And then apply it to the root and pull it to the ends. If you've never colored your hair, apply it to the ends as well. If you've colored your hair before and you just need to refresh your hair, just apply it to the roots. And if you need to refresh the color towards the very end of the application, you can pull the color through to the ends. That's how it works. But yeah, so it's a real simple process. You're going to leave it in your hair for 30 minutes. You're going to leave it in your hair for 30 minutes. Just let it sit on there for like 30 minutes. I let it sit on for the full 30 minutes after I applied it. And then you're going to shampoo it out. You always shampoo the color out. You never leave the color in or just rinse it out. A lot of things I've seen people do in the salon world is kind of questionable. Put the color in and then leave it in, or the barbershop. Put the color in and just rinse it out with water. No, you need to wash this out with shampoo. Wash out with shampoo and then follow on with your usual regimen, which for some people is super complicated. Now, knock it, but but I just shampooed my hair. I added a deep treatment to it after. I didn't have all this in the video, but I added a deep treatment. And then, I blow to dry with a low heat setting, and then I roller set it. Now, this is not the results of a roller set. This is just it's like 6 braids that I did last night just to keep my hair. So yeah, you just style as usual. But I would say for the deep treatment, don't skip the dryer. Go in the dryer for, your usual 30 minutes. To really make sure the conditioner gets in your hair really well. But yeah, that is it. Another tip that I can give you, as you shampoo it out, as you shampoo it out, when you rinse it initially, because you're going to rinse it before you just put shampoo straight on your hair. You're going to rinse it until the water runs clear. Let your water run completely clear. That's going to let you know that you got all of the color out. And then you're going to go in with the shampoo. As you shampoo your hair, you're going to see more color. That's fine. That's normal. And then you rinse it till the water is clear, and then you're going to add your conditioner. So, but yeah, this color is so easy. I mean, you're going to only add water to it to activate it. Mix it up really well and apply it to the hair. It's not technical at all. Anyone can do it. And I know that a lot of us are not visiting salons right now because of COVID. So we're being extra careful. But I feel I have a solution for you. There's a lot of colors out there. This one is a permanent one. However, I should mention this one is permanent. There's a lot of colors out there that claims to be semi-permanent. And they definitely, sometimes they really are semi-permanent. You put a semi-permanent on your hair and it will not last that long. Semi-permanents are going to be like, you know, a couple of shampoos. They'll sometimes will tell you on the bottle 20 shampoos and the product will be gone, or a demi will last longer, more shampoos and then fades out slowly. But this one is permanent. This one is going to stain your hair, so it's not going to wash out on that part. So yeah, just want to give you guys some tips and tricks and hacks and make your life a lot easier. So if you learn anything informative, make sure you subscribe, like, share, turn on your notifications, and I will be back very soon to share more tutorials. And of course, like it. Like and share with a friend that has natural hair too. She will thank you later. See you guys soon.